Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to turn off pause updates in Windows 11 so you can resume updates whenever you're ready. Now let's get started. Step 1. Go to the search bar on your taskbar and type check for updates. Press enter. Here you'll see the pause updates or check updates option. Step 2. If updates are paused, click on resume updates to turn them back on. If you want to pause updates again, you can choose to pause for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or more, depending on your preference. Step 3, go back to the search bar and type services, then press enter. Step 4, once the services window opens, click on any service and press the W key on your keyboard to jump to services starting with W. Scroll down, find Windows Update, then double click on it. Step 5. If you want to turn Windows Update on, set the startup type to automatic and click on Start to run the service. And if you want to turn it off, you are going to click on Stop and then change the startup type to manual and click on Apply. Then click OK. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tutorials.